Hey guys, welcome to our channel. So in this video I'm gonna show you how to see who visited your Facebook profile. So simply, first of all, open your Facebook app and just you have to move to your profile. So here you can see we are going to open our profile. So here first of all, what you need to do, just open your profile picture. Now go down, select photos, go to uploads, albums, and now here go to profile picture. So here you can see my profile picture is public. So when someone visited your profile picture, you can easily see through likes and comments. So now here you can go to cover photos, and here you can see my cover photo is public. So here you can see people visited my profile. So you can easily get to know through the comments and likes on profile picture and cover photo. So in this way you can see who viewed your Facebook profile.